So this is where I planted garlic back in the fall, and I've got 2 pieces that came up in this bed. Everything else rotted. So I got some garlic from the grocery store. It was already sprouted when I got it, and so I put it in a little bit of water, and they've gotten roots on them like this. So I'm going to try putting these in the ground to see if they do better than the seed garlic I had. So I dumped them out here, and I'm just going to try to space them out in this pot and see what happens. So now I'm just going to kind of make little holes next to where I've laid out the garlic. And hopefully I can push them down in there. I'm not a garlic expert, so I'm hoping this is a good way to do this. So there are the holes, and I'm just going to try to stand them in there with the roots down and the leaves poking out of the top. See the roots on there? I was tempted to leave them in the jar longer, but there's somebody that commented that grows garlic professionally, and they said the sooner I get it in the ground, the better. Uh-oh, I kind of broke the tip of that off accidentally. Be careful. Look how long those are. And they say garlic takes a really long time, like 9 to 10 months, so. But I just think if I see the leaves doing like these are doing, then I'm assuming that the garlic is growing underneath the ground at that time, and then the plant's doing okay. Hopefully that's the case. And here's that last one. So I'm gonna water this and then just kind of wait and see and hope they do better. Whoop, I left one out. Look at that. I love looking at these roots. This was grown in like 3 days in a jar with water. I put it in a jar with a little water at the bottom. This little jar right here, still got a couple in there. And the next day it had the roots at the bottom.